Welcome back to the channel, man. And today I got this 07 Dodge Magnum right here, and got a P1004. Basically problems with the short runner valve. Now I'm gonna bring the camera down and show you something real quick. Like I said, this is like a 3.5. These are short runner valves. This one right here is the main one. They stick. Now this customer said that he's already replaced this. It doesn't look new, but who am I to judge if he did it or not? Like I say, some of this problem can be electronically, meaning a controller inside of the computer. Because I'm gonna go to my computer in a minute, but I have a intake manifold over here with a 3.5. Thing about these, like I say, they were set electrical codes. Now, what you should do when you got this problem, of course, remove your short runner valve and verify that this blade is not sticking. See, this one, you can turn it a little bit, but if you feel any kind of restriction, you should replace this intake manifold, because see, that one's sticking a little bit. So I will replace this one. It should be a smooth turn. Again, if it's not, then yes, you will have to replace the intake manifold. Also, there's a problem electrically with these, not the actual part, because he said he's already replaced this, but as far as the computer, the signal from the computer. So what I'm gonna do is go to my computer right now and I'll show you what I'm talking about. I got my part already in this car, and what I am talking about is, let me pull this up. Okay, this is a 2007. I'm going to PCM, and I'm going to go on the flash. Okay, what I find on the flash is there is a right here, flash. There is a okay, 07 with a 3.5. There's two reasons to flash this PCM. One is right here, P1004 short runner valve performance. That's right, y'all. There's a flash update for that problem. Okay, let me read this TSB real quick. The TSB associated with the flash. Okay, it's for P1004 short runner valve performance. Now, what they basically want us to do is for the 2007 300 Magnum or the Charger. Basically, what they want us to do is wipe out the controller, wipe out the calibrations in the controller, and put in new controllers. This fault may be intermittent and difficult to duplicate, so it must be a glitch inside of the computer. So basically what they want us to do is flash update the computer, and that should take care of your problem. Okay, so you get all three of those done, you should be fine. All right, that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.